Today I'm going to show you how to install an itch.io zip file the easy way, step by step, so you can go from a downloaded compressed file to actually launching the game on your computer. If you've just bought or downloaded a game from itch.io and all you see is a zip file, don't worry, that's completely normal, and in just a few minutes you'll know exactly what to do next. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to locate the file you downloaded. Most of the time, your browser sends it straight to the downloads folder, so open File Explorer and go to Downloads. If you saved it somewhere else, like the desktop or a custom folder, just open that location instead. Look for the game file ending in .zip. This is the compressed archive that contains the actual game files. Once you find it, the next step is to extract the contents. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. On Windows, this built-in option is usually the easiest way to unpack it without needing any extra software. When the extraction window opens, you'll be asked where you want the files to go. For a cleaner setup, I recommend creating a dedicated folder on your desktop first. That way, the game files are easy to find later, and you won't lose track of them among other downloads. You can name the folder after the game so everything stays organized. After you choose the folder, click Extract and wait for the process to finish. Depending on the file size, this may only take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the zip file has been extracted, open the new folder. Inside, you'll usually see several files and folders, but what you're looking for is the executable file, which ends in .exe. In most cases, this file will have the same name as the game. If you don't see file extensions, you may need to enable them in Windows so you can clearly identify the .exe file. After you find it, simply double-click it to launch the game. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes or Run to continue, and that's it. The game should open and start running normally. If the game doesn't launch right away, make sure you extracted the zip file first and are not trying to run it directly from inside the compressed folder. Also check that you clicked the actual .exe file and not a text file, README or installer note. If this walkthrough helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your game.